Hi everyone, welcome back to Undesign Craft channel. In today's video, we're crocheting a cute little umbrella, perfect as an accessory for your crochet dolls. I originally made this one for Totoro from my previous video, but you can use it for any of your creations. At the end of the video, I'll also share different color design ideas using the same pattern. Feel free to mix and match to make your own unique umbrella. Here are the tools you need for this video. 4-ply cotton yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, 1 needle, a pair of scissors, and wire for the handle. Make a knot in a magic ring and start with 8 single crochet in a magic ring. After you've made 6 single crochet into the magic ring, pull the yarn tail tight to close the round. Then insert the hook into the first stitch of the round and make a slip stitch to end this round. Then make a chain to start the next round. Repeat this step at the end and beginning of every round. In round 1, make an increase in every stitch. You should now have a total of 16 stitches. As usual, work a slip stitch to end the round and start the next round with a chain. In round 2, work 1 single crochet followed by 1 increase. And repeat this sequence 8 times. You should have a total of 24 stitches. In rounds 3 to 4, follow the written pattern. Repeat the given sequence 8 times in each round. In rounds 5 to 7, work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. You should have a total of 40 stitches in each round. In round 8, we're crocheting the decorative edge of the umbrella. Start with a chain, then work 1 single crochet, two slip stitches, two single crochet, chain 2, repeat this sequence 8 times around to complete the edge. Here you had finished the body of the umbrella. Let's hide the leftover yarn. Next, shape the handle using a piece of wire. You can decide the height based on your preference, and remember to leave a little extra at the top so you can bend it down and secure it in place. Bend the top of the wire into a small round shape. Then use the leftover yarn to wrap around the wire. This not only helps cover the wire neatly, but also secures it in place. Remember, left enough yarn for sewing? Next, take a new yarn and use it to wrap around the handle. Once you've wrapped the yarn around the handle, secure the end of the yarn with a knot or a few stitches to ensure it stays in place. Properly hide the leftover yarn by weaving it into the stitches using a yarn needle or crochet hook. Now that you've seen the basic single color umbrella, let me show you some other fun designs. You can play around with color changes, patterns, and combinations to create your own unique umbrella. Feel free to get creative and pick the one that suits your style. That's it for today's tutorial on how to crochet a cute umbrella. I hope you enjoyed making this fun accessory for your crochet dolls. just like I did for Totoro. Don't forget, you can customize it with your own colors and designs to make it truly unique. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more crochet projects. See you in the next video, and happy crocheting!